It's Margarita, and I am back with another review from the House of Sillage, Hauts Bijoux. So I'm going to do a review on my travel spray because I actually sold my cupcake of this. So I had a cupcake and I had the travel spray collection for this. And so I just kept this small travel spray, honestly, because somewhere down the line, I stopped liking this fragrance. I used to love Hauts Bijoux. It was my favorite, my number one, my everything from the House of Sillage. And then about 2 months ago, something happened. I don't know if something happened to my nose. I had a birthday a couple months ago, so I don't know if me turning a year older made me just switch off some things. I can't stand it anymore. All of a sudden, this smells so medicinal to me. I don't know why, but let's see what the notes are. Mango, black currant, grapefruit, caro corunde, iris, heliotrope, vanilla, cedar, and amber. See, most of these notes I like. I don't know what caro corunde is, but it's listed. I do not like iris at all because it is so powdery. Me and powder don't get along. But there is something that is making this go straight up medicinal. And I don't know why. So I just kept this small amount just in case I end up liking it later. I like to let fragrances sit for about another year if I don't like them before I declutter them. If I used to love them or if I'm on the fence about them. So this is my teeter-totter on the fence. But Hauts Bijoux is typically a nice, juicy, musky, fruity scent that is usually inoffensive. I would say it's appropriate for all ages. And it's a great feminine scent. Men might be able to pull that off if you have a chemistry that typically leans toward feminine fragrances, and a lot of men do. My husband is one of them. But for some reason, Hauts Bijoux, somewhere down the way, it just got medicinal on me, like super, super medicinal, almost like Band-Aids. You know how people say Baccarat Rouge 540 smells like Band-Aids? I don't get Band-Aids from that, but I do get Band-Aids from Hauts Bijoux by House of Sillage. Let me know, has anything changed for you in smelling a fragrance by this house, particularly this one? Did you love one and then all of a sudden can't stand it anymore? I really loved this for the time that I had it, for the time I couldn't get enough of it. But now I'm like, I have this kind of stored away in the back of the collection. Like, I'll reach for you maybe in a few months and see how we feel about it, or else this will get decluttered too. Well, let me know in the comments what you think about Hauts Bijoux and if you loved it and hated it now or vice versa. Also, if you like a decant of fragrances, I have my entire collection on my website, whistlenotes.com, and you can check out anything that I have on this channel that's still available in my collection today. And until next time, I am Margarita, and you have an awesome day. Bye.